So this is how to buy Worldcoin crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up the Robinhood app, go to the bottom and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, start typing in Worldcoin or ticker symbol WLD, then select it, then at the bottom press buy. Once you're here, you can go to the top right and adjust the order type. So in my case, there's market order in Canadian dollars or market order in Worldcoin. I will keep it at Canadian dollars for this demonstration. Once you're here, you can select how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $5 worth, you could type in 5 and then press review. Then you can review the order. You can check how much Worldcoin you're buying as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Worldcoin crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.